In order to add a car to your company or fleet, you first need to go to the Cars section. To do this, click the Add Auto button. You will see a list of fields that need to be filled in to create a profile of a new car. Among them, 2 of these fields are configurable according to the requirements of a particular fleet. The first is the car model and make, and the second is the type of car owner. To add a new car make and model, go to the Directory section and select Car Models. You can add a model using the green button at the top right. This will allow you to select it when creating a car profile in the future. Similarly, you can add the type of car owner in the Car Owners section. Use the green button Add Car Owner, add a name, and select a type from the drop-down menu. Fleet, investor, or leasing company. After creating 1 or more types of car owners and all the necessary car brands and models, we can return to creating profiles of the vehicles themselves. To do this, go back to the Cars section and click the green button. In the window that opens, specify the vehicle registration number, the series and number of its state registration certificate. You also need to enter its VIN code. Select a specific model and make a vehicle from the list of those created in the previous step. Select the type of fuel or powertrain, transmission, production year of the vehicle, and the owner from the created ones and click Save. The car profile is created and will be added to the company and displayed in the list. For a quick search, you can use the filter on the right and go to the car profile. In the upper right corner, there is a button that allows you to move the car to the desired fleet.